The All India Students Federation today organized a protest program to voice its opposition against what it terms the saffronization of education. The demonstration was led by AISF General Secretary Comrade Dinesh Srirangaraj. The protest, which took place, saw students and members of the organization holding placards and raising slogans against the alleged attempts to alter educational policies and curricula with a particular ideological agenda. Comrade Dinesh Srirangaraj addressed the gathering, stating that the AISF will not tolerate any efforts to compromise the secular and scientific principles of the country's education system.
Namaste, All India Students Federation. Today we have protest in Agartala for demanding to withdraw the learning outcome based curriculum framework by union government, because this LOCF, the draft, it is against the public education system. They tried to change the Indian history, Indian freedom movement, because we know the Indian history, who fought for the independence, who sacrificed their lives, but they want to change into the Hindutva ideology. They want to manipulate the history and even the physics, chemistry, science, in all subjects in the name of Indian knowledge. They try to insist the Hindutva ideology by the RSS. So this learning outcome based curriculum framework, it is against the scientific temper. Even our Indian constitution, we said we are insist for the scientific temper, but in this curriculum framework, what now union government has draft was released, that is completely against the scientific temper. So this is not a good one. So AISF demand to withdraw this LOCF back, and National Education Policy 2020, it is trying to dismantle the public education system all over the country. Even we are standing right now in Agartala.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.